you? I'm Maria. Do you want to come on a trail ride with us? Sure. Let's go. Come on, Starlight. Do you think she can hear us?
No.
She's always trying to show off. I know, and she only has a Mustang. And she says that she has a Pasifino. I know, right? Hey Maria, since you're new, you have to do a challenge. Okay. You have to do a cross-country challenge. Are you up to it? Yeah! In order for you to be accepted, you have to do this course. First you have to jump over those logs. Then go through the ditch of doom. The cross-country course consists of 3 jumps. That one, over the giant ditch of doom, and that one. She'll never make it. All newcomers suck out. Are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. I don't think she's okay. Hi, Maria.
Hi.
So, sorry for making fun of you today. It's okay.
Your horse is really pretty.
She's Scout. Starlight.
Hi, Starlight.
Yeah. She's a loving, caring horse. Thank you.